Rerun is a software system to support post-facto analysis of driving simulation research. It is built in Unity 3D and captures virtual driving behavior so that it can be played back.
In this video, we show it working inside of the Strange Land system. Strange Land is a multi-participant driving simulator where participants encounter each other while driving through ambiguous traffic scenarios.
A unique feature of Rerun is that the playback can be rendered from any perspective in the virtual space. This is useful in multi-person interaction studies because researchers can examine scenarios from each participant's perspective, or even from an outside observer's perspective. This enables fine-grained understanding of implicit and explicit signaling between participants, enabling research to reconstruct what factors are pertinent to driving communication.